Hello friends, welcome to my channel Otanu Khatwa. Today I am discussing about Hong Kong T20 Premier League. So first of all, I covered all the stats from HKCC. First, I coming to A Garwar. He played 4 matches and scored 87 runs with the 37 highest score and 50 strike rate. So then coming to R Keynes, R can play 2 matches and score 8 runs. One thing I cleared to all here all the matches are low scoring matches, so you have to take more bowler for in your team. So then coming to Nijakat Khan, he is the best batsman of this team, and also those who follow Hong Kong national team, you know about Nijakat Khan. He played 4 matches and scored 159 runs with the 57 not out high score and 159 strike rate. So you have to take a must in your team, and you can try him captain, vice captain also. Then coming to Ninant Shah played 4 matches and scored only 56 runs with a 33 high score and with a 105 strike rate. Then coming to M. Koetje, he played 4 matches and scored only 20 runs with a 55 strike rate, so not much effective. I talking about that you have to take more bowlers. So only 3 batsmen is enough in your team. Okay. And coming to R Bugle also, he played 4 matches and scored 78 and with a 29 highest score and 130 strike rate. Then coming to it's not R Sharma, it's not Rohit Sharma, it's Rahul Sharma, but we can't get any stat for Rahul Sharma. Then ANS, I also not getting any stat from ANS. Then coming to Kinchit Shah is the best all rounder of this tournament, you can say. He is a best all rounder. You also know. So he last year he played 4 matches and scored 80 runs with 36 high score, 98 strike rate, and got also 6 wicket with a 6.93 corner. So obviously the best choice for captain, vice captain also. You can try him. Harun Arshad also a good all rounder, but last year he had fell badly. Just he played 4 matches and scored 26 runs only, and got 2 wickets with a 8.65. Not much effective, I think. Then coming to L Jones also a good batsman. He played 4 matches and scored 81 runs with a 45 not out high score and with a 95 strike rate. So you can try him. Jack Meters, we can't get any stat, but one thing I want get, he is a left arm orthodox. If he play, then you can must try in a Grand League, because I all time I say about left arm orthodox, they create problem. So in this tournament the bowlers can gain more help, so you can try him in your Grand League team. Then coming to A Mohammed, last year he played 1 match but get wicketless with a 9.75 economy. Andrews I not get any stats. C Wallace he played 1 match and got 1 wicket with a 8 economy. M. Varsfield, one thing I clear to all, M. Varsfield last year played 1 match and got 5 wicket with a 2.2 economy. But you understand, when I making my team, I want to see you how is the selection person of M. Varsfield. Last year he played 1 match and got 5 wickets. So you have to understand the potential of this bowler. Then coming to East Scriven last year played 1 match and got wicketless. So with a 7.5. Here I covered all 17 players of their squad one by one. 2-3 players I not get any stat, so I leave him. But I think the main players all I covered here. Then I coming to DLSW. I Hussein in a wicketkeeper section. I think best choice in a wicket is I Hussein. He played 3 matches and scored 27 runs with a 84 striker. Yurupa Singh, I don't get any stat of Yurupa Singh. Then coming to Waqas Khan, the main batsman of this team. He played 4 matches and scored 170 runs with a 67 high score. And this 67 high score he scored against HKCC last year. So obviously you have to understand the potential of this batsman. So he is a good batsman. Then coming to N Singh, I can't get any stat from N Singh. Then coming to I Mohammed, he played last year 3 matches and scored 28 runs. One thing I cleared again, here all the matches are low scoring matches. You try to take all bowlers, best bowlers. So don't get to take all batsmen. Okay. So then coming to A Woodsland, I don't get any stat. Here I judge I also not get any stat, but Esa Khan is the best all rounder of this team also. Last year he played 4 matches and scored 67 runs with a 101 strike rate, and also got 3 wickets with 5.69. Then coming to A Nawaz Khan, I don't get any stat of A Nawaz Khan. Their main bowlers are Aim. Then coming to Aim Jeb also main bowlers of this team. Last year he played 4 matches, scored 33 runs with also get 3 wickets with 5.33 economy. So obviously a good economy in T20. Then coming to A Hussain, Aftab Hussain, he played 4 matches and got 3 wickets with a 4.38 economy. So obviously a good. Then coming to T Ahmed last year played 4 matches and got 1 wicket only with a 7.44 economy. Then coming to Mohsen Khan obvious also a good bowler. So this team is very much bowling favorite team. So I always told clear to all that you have to t- take much more bowler from the both sides. So this is okay. Then coming to M Gaffanjar is the best bowler of this team. Last year played 4 matches and scored 29 runs also, and get 9 wicket with a 7.37 economy. So obviously good. Then coming to Dhananjay Rao last year played 1 match and scored 9 runs with a 1 wicket with 7.5 economy. So obviously good. So here I discuss all the stat one by one from both the teams HKCC and DLSW. If you want, those who are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and after subscribe don't forget to press the bell icon. So obviously you can go through this, and also you can screenshot the all stat one by one. 2 3 players I don't get any stat, so that's not problem. Main players all I got stat. So one thing I clear to all here, the main bowler is Mehran Jeb, Mohsen Khan, M Gaffanjar, Ishan Khan. So don't drop this bowler. You have to take all this bowler. Also also Waqas Khan is the best batsman of this team. So now I coming to the HKCC best. The HKCC best player, you have to take Nijakat Khan. Then coming to Kinchit Shah must take. Then I go to, I think, M Bharsfield. I am very much impressing me M Bharsfield. So you can go take him. Just played 1 match and got 5 wickets. You have to understand that. Many people leave him. I don't know why leave him. If he play, then must try. I think the lineup will become. So then coming to Ensa, my choice will be going to Ensa. So this four, I think I go with this four. So now coming to Dream 11, make us our team. So here I come in Dream 11. So in wicket question, there are 4 choices in our hand. I Hossein. 1 minute. I Hossein, A Garwar, U Rupa Singh, Arkane. So here is the best choice, I think, I Hossein. So all 89% people going with I Hossein. I also going with I Hossein also. Then I one thing clear to all, this is don't take much batsman in your team. In 3 batsmen is enough. I think the best 3 will be Nijakat Khan, Waqas Khan, and Ensa. Don't need to take any other cells. Yeah, these 3 is the best batsman. You can try to take bowler in your team. So there will be some you can change. There will be other choices. M Koetje, R Bukle also a good batsman. You can try him. Now coming to all-rounders. The all-rounders have various choices in your hand. I think Kinchit Shah must in your team, Esa Khan must in your team. Okay, these don't drop these 2 players, Kinchit Shah and Esan Khan. Then coming to Harun Arshad, A Nawaz Khan, I don't get any stat, but Mehran Jeb, I give you the best bowler, and so you don't. And L Jones also you can see him, he will be play. L Jones, Mehran Jeb, Harun Arshad, Isha Khan, Kinchit Shah, these 5 will be played. So I expected. So I think my choice will be goes to Kinchit Shah, Esa Khan, and Mehran Jeb. So my choice will be goes this. Now coming to bowling section, one thing I clear to all, this is the bowling favor match. So you have to take more bowler in your team. Okay. So first choice here is will be Aftab Hossain is the best bowler of this team. Then you can go. Then coming to the Tia Ahmed, Tanvir Ahmed, you can go Mohsen Khan, M. Kafanjar. I give you the my choice here will be choice. You can give it A. Hussain, A. Mohammed, Tanvir Ahmed, Mohsen Khan, Kafanjar, and others will be I think Barsfield, Scrivens. But my choice will be goes to I think Mohsen Khan, and my last choice will all go with A. Mohammed. I think I go with M. Barsfield. M. Barsfield in one match he got 5 wickets. So obviously you can understand the potential of this bowler. If he fail and all go with A. Mohammed, you can also go with A. Mohammed. I don't give you force to come with M. Barsfield. I go with my stats. Okay, so you can go with your own with the selection percentage, no problem. So my team will be so far is that here is the best captaincy choice will be Kinchit Shah or Kinchit Shah and vice captain Esa Khan. You can go with this. This is the best captain vice choice. As you are taking risks in your in player section, so you can go with safe captain vice captain also. Also, here is my team. So my final team, I will give my final team in my Telegram channel. Those who are new in my in YouTube channel, so please in description I give my Telegram channel. You can go through this and you can join my Telegram channel. Okay. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and okay ওকে দেখা হবে পরের ভিডিওতে। ভিডিওটা ভালো থাকলে অবশ্যই শেয়ার করো। টাইম খুব কম আছে, তো ভিডিওটা বড় করছে না। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।